Greg?
What's up?
This is Lyle Barnett live on the Shake and Bake Show.
Oh, shit.
And Clay Milliken.
And Clay Milliken. He's listening in. And she's a scrub. You know, she's named Erica Ender's sister, Courtney, maybe, something like that. I don't even know her middle name. Probably Diane or something. Anyway, Doug Cook had me give you a call, and you are today's, or actually yesterday's, lucky winner of the Motion Raceworks Pay Your Tab giveaway. So that order you placed yesterday for, I think it was a shifter?
No, I actually bought some billet valve covers. So
Billet valve, that's right.
Expensive.
So he said, yep, the billet valve covers, you get that shit for free, dog.
Man, they're there tomorrow.
Well, they're going to refund you for that order you placed, and obviously, hopefully, you'll just turn around and spend that money back on something else for your hot rod there. What do you got? What you building?
A twin turbo Nissan 370Z.
It sounds like a twin turbo Dodge pickup truck.
Well, you did the MacFab rear wheels on them.
There we go.
The slow motion leg hump. You should probably remember carving those up.
I do. We engraved slow motion leg hump in some wheels. That's right. I forgot about that. Well, that's cool, dude. Just wanted to call and let you know they're going to be refunding you your money, and congratulations, man.
Well, hey, thank you.
Yep.
Thanks. I appreciate it, and I'd like to tell Doug thanks. So if he's watching, I appreciate it. All the Motion team.
Awesome, man. We appreciate it.
Right.
See you, buddy.
Love you guys.
Yep.
Man, that's freaking cool.
See, he's the most. There's something I want to say to the future winners of that giveaway. He's the most excited. Like, that dude was excited. I felt like he was
It's because
excited.
Clay Milliken's on the phone.
Well, maybe.